still trying to please people? Am I now trying to win the approval of human beings or of God? Or am I trying to please people? If I were still trying to please people, I would not be a servant of Christ. Galatians 1:10. You can't reach your destiny feeling responsible to keep other people happy. Your time is too valuable to go around trying to figure out how you can please everyone. I know people who spend more time worried about what people think about them than they do focusing on their own dreams, their own goals. It's great to get free from addictions or depression or sickness, but one of the greatest freedoms is when you get free from trying to please people. People are quick to tell you how to run your life. It's good to listen to wise counsel, but other people don't know what God put in you, the dreams, the desires, the calling. You have to be bold to follow what's in your heart. You can't worry about what other people think because people will try to keep you in their box, in what they think you should be. If someone gets upset because you won't take their advice, that's their problem. If you live by the opinion of others, you'll never become who you were created to be.